transform your social media marketing and skyrocket your traffic and profits? Creating professional quality videos can be a real headache, expensive software, steep learning curves, and countless hours wasted. Introducing AdMotion. The world's first smart tool for create and resell cinematic videos, without the hassle of downloads or installations. With AdMotion, you can create, edit, export, and sell stunning video templates in just 3 simple steps. Explore our powerful modules designed to cover every aspect of video creation. Module 1, Cinematic Movie-Style Videos. Transform your Canva into a powerhouse for cinematic movie-style videos. Module 2, Promo Video Ads. Create eye-catching promo videos that boost your profits. Module 3, Intro Opener Animations. Capture attention with stunning intro animations. Module 4, Outro Animation Templates. Design professional end screens quickly and easily. Module 5, Lower Third Animations. Enhance your informative videos with dynamic lower third animations. Module 6, Call-Out Animations. Highlight vital information effortlessly. Module 7, Square Post Animations. Wow your audience with beautiful square post animations. Module 8, Vertical Post Animations. Impress clients with eye-catching vertical videos. Module 9, Thumbnail Designs. Increase views with professional thumbnail designs. Module 10, YouTube Channel Designs. Create awesome YouTube channel designs with ease. AdMotion simplify the video creation process. Step 1, log in and select a template. Step 2, edit the template with Canva. Step 3, export and profit. Join thousands of satisfied users with transform their marketing with AdMotion. Don't miss out on our special early bird price. Get started today with AdMotion and take your video marketing to the next level. Click the button below and start profit from selling PLR cinematic video animations today.